Hey, Megaleon42, and...
Mate, out of mode.
And after a rather long hiatus, we are back for more Ocarina of Time. From what I remember in the last episode, we got Song of Storms and we got the Sun Song. That's all I remember doing. We might have done more. I had lost my footage, unfortunately, so I didn't record anymore. But should we head to the Forest Temple, or should we look around, do some side questy things? I don't really think there are any side quest things until I at the very least get the bow.
Did you get Hookshot?
Oh wait, don't you have to go get the yeah, I don't think I got the Hookshot yet, so I guess that's our goal.
Yeah.
So let's go back. Let's go back to the graveyard.
I'm an old friend.
I never talked to him. So he's definitely an old friend, I suppose. Let's try not to have a conversation, because that gets me really unfocused. This just sends you down to the thing, right?
Yeah,
this one? That's okay. So, let's go get the Hookshot. Although, we should really stop spoiling stuff, because everyone hasn't played this game. No one... Young man, are you fast on your feet? I may not look like it, but I'm confident in my speed. Let's have a race. Follow me if you dare. So don't let him hit you. They're kind of mean where they're placed. If he hits you, you get screwed, so... So just try to follow him as closely as you can.
And don't go for the rupees.
Yeah,
don't follow your greed.
And just make sure you don't get hit. That's another key. If you get hit like once, you're screwed.
Yeah. You have unlimited tries though.
And this is always tough for me. It's really specific.
I don't think there's any things that really like it. I mean, not like it, too.
Except for Zelda 2, you mean?
Yeah.
Not just 2, like that's saying like you don't like 2 of them.
Oh yeah.
Shit, I fucked up, man.
That was my bad. There you go.
I screwed up now. Oh, I made it.
Oh, man.
Holy shit. The time of this race was 1 minute 4. Young man, you were very quick to be able to keep up with me. As a reward, I'm going to give you my treasure. It's called the Hookshot. Its spring-loaded chain will pull you to any spot where its hook sticks. Doesn't that sound cool? I'm sure it will help you. I live here now, so come back again sometime. I'll give you something cool. One more thing. Be careful on your way back. So does he give you a piece of heart if you race him again?
I think so.
Oh, I might have to do that then.
You should try it, man.
Okay, but I'll do that on screen though. I don't want to do it on the episode. Oh. So you found the Hookshot. It's a spring. That would hurt, man.
Especially when there's like that blade right back.
Yeah, and you rip out your rectum.
And he gets closer to you.
Yeah, and then he's like,
why don't you use it on Ganon?
It does damage, just so little.
You just stab him in the eye with it. Oh, my eye! What are you doing, man? This is some sword you gotta use.
Okay, anyway, I'm gonna frickin'...
You know, they should have put frickin' Ganon in Wreck-It Ralph.
Ganon? There wasn't Link, though.
Yeah, come on.
Hey, what the hell's this song?
That is...
That's Epona's.
Yeah,
I forgot how to... I should have that, though, shouldn't I? Or do I go back now?
Back in time, but you can't go back in time, let's do the Forest Temple.
Okay, so it's Song of Time, right? Where's that? Right A down. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I suck Major Wang at this.
I love this thing.
I've never beaten it. I hardly remember what to do, so I've never beaten it. I've never even beaten the Forest Temple.
That's a really bad joke.
What?
I beat it.
Dude!
That's terrible. It just came in my head, though. I'm not gonna say it.
Okay, don't screw this up, Link. Link, if you screw this up, I'm suing your mother.
What your mom doing?
You're not like my father. Whew, nice. Another piece of heart. Collect 4 pieces to get a new heart container. Yeah. I thought I already got Epona's song when I was a kid. Didn't I?
No, you have to talk to the girl and she's like...
Yeah, did she give it to you? I did it though, I swear. I must not have saved.
No!
So now I think it's time to head off to the forest temple. And I didn't free Epona anyway, I don't think I did it. Because I suck at that horse racing minigame. No.
Yeah, I'm pretty good at it.
Oh no, this game's just so outdated to me. It's fun, it's not as outdated as I thought when I first started this, but still you do need to get kind of close, or I'll move. And it's still a really fun game. It's just it's nothing compared to Wind Waker, Skyward Sword. It's better than Twilight Princess in my opinion.
My opinion, I thought I was better than Wind Waker.
Wind Waker's the best, man. Don't diss Wind Waker.
Oh, I don't diss it. I'm just saying this gives you nostalgia.
Wait. Yeah, but think, Wind Waker's 10 years old. This is that's like 7 years more than that. That still qualifies as nostalgia in my book. Oh shit.
I'm
gonna unequip that just so I don't do that on accident.
For me, I just remember my uncles and I playing this game so much. It was so fun. Wind Waker was more of my own thing because no one else, like my uncle, didn't like it because it was cel shaded, but I liked it.
That's such a selfish way to look at it. It's selfish, huh? No.
So a lot of people just didn't like it.
It's so well made though. The dungeons are great. Even the sea is more. It's probably better than the Sky and Skyward Sword in my opinion, just because there's more enemies.
Yeah, and find treasure.
It's more open and there's actually more stuff to do.
But I mean, they're both good. It's just like you can't judge them by its cover just because it's cel shaded. Get them into the back game.
Exactly. Yeah.
And that just shows the whole thing. Oh, sorry,
no, it doesn't matter. I'm just walking, man.
So yeah, it's just like it doesn't matter always how a game looks. It matters how it plays. But there's always if it looks like crap and it plays good, still it's a good game.
Well, it depends.
I mean, what's a bad looking game that was fun and good?
Well, like what era? It depends, because this only looks bad because it's what 15 years later over.
Yeah, but I mean, Pong looks like shit, but it's fun.
Kinda.
I mean, it's fun for like.
It's fun on a basic level.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't look for graphics, but if it does have graphics, it's awesome.
Yeah, or like Heavy Rain, where it's games like that where it's like totally story focused, and because the graphics are so good, it makes you really interested on the story.
We're all infested with freaking monsters.
How do you shield?
It's Z. Well, not Z, sorry. Right.
I suck. Wow, that guy kicked my booty.
You should do it. Do you know how to do a one-second like curl?
Yeah, I did it earlier.
I didn't even know you could do that until my cousin Michael told me. Damn, Deku steps.
Don't they just come back to their thing eventually, or do you have to go kill them? Oh, whatever, screw it. I'm gonna look for hearts.
Where's the humping rock guy?
What?
Guy humps the rocks.
This is in the future, man.
I thought he'd still be doing that.
What? Yeah, and he's all old with the beard and shit, and he's like, I haven't stopped! That would have been funny. I can't! I'm still doing it!
What's wrong with me? Why am I like this? My mom abandoned me. She left me here to protect the tree. That's what happened to Link. Deku should kind of.
Hey, what the hell? What's this?
Oh, well, that's freaking.
Dead.
What the hell is that? Is that a skull kid?
The hell you?
Dude, go back. I want to see.
He attacks you. I don't want to.
Dude, that was awesome. That's a skull kid.
What the hell? He's shooting me all the way.
Kill his ass.
I don't want to. He's too cool.
I know. I want to see him up front.
No, I gave him that mask.
What mask is it?
It's the skull mask. It's the second part of the mask side quest. I never finished it though.
That's
shit.
Anymore.
Yeah, I screwed it up. Yeah, I forgot and I didn't care to do more.
That is weird as hell, dude.
Yeah, I didn't know he attacks you.
That's never happened to me. I like that. I like when they make me.
Now it's right?
Then you meet that one kid.
Oh yeah, you're right. What are you? Though you wear
What are you?
What are you? Though you wear curious clothing, you can't fool me.
Yeah.
I promise, sorry, I would never let anybody go through here. Okay. What's the song?
It's the song.
I forgot how to do it. Oh, wait. Damn it.
Oh.
That's one of the catchiest songs in gaming. It's
So hot. Yeah, so hot.
oh yeah, that's Melody. Saria plays that song all the time. You know Saria. That song. Saria taught that song only to her friends. Okay, I trust you. When I see you, I don't know why, but I remember him. Him. Who is he? He's a monster.
No, Gaston's a monster.
Oh, well, this isn't the right way, but there is something in here. So, hey, a gold sculpture. I hear it. I always think I'm playing Mario, so I get that. Where's the sculpture on here? I hear it. It's not here. There's a thing in the pit, I know, like over here. There's a pit somewhere. Can't remember where. I swear there's a pit here now. Whatever. I don't care. I think that just leads you to the area where you need the third mask, or whatever, the fourth, or whatever. Okay. Am I going the right way, or did I go backwards? I think I'm going the right way.
You become a fucking, Southpost.
Yeah, wait. Sorry, my music's really quiet, so I can't. Try this one. Damn it! I was right there! I don't remember the path. You're supposed to follow the music, so I can go faster now. It's like right, left. Right. Right, left, right, left.
Last thing that Jordan in a game of all time. The full time number. And that's the very game, which was kind of hot.
The Great Fairies in this game are ugly as hell.
I know. And you sound good word into the game. Were they trying to make them pretty?
No, I doubt it. Damn it! I can't tell, my music's so low. Because it has to be low to make it work. Oh, how long has this been? I just realized. Oh, only 14 minutes, okay. After that, like, once we get through the shrine area, that area is tough, though, you know? What they did to it. I always found this area really tough.
You mean the Forest Temple?
No, well, the area before the Forest Temple. Because it was like the last area
I love that place.
Then you go up, right?
I don't think so.
No, and then it's left.
Yeah.
Because I already went. I'm gonna break this down. So.
I'm gonna hold on
No. So it's this way now. Okay. And now. Yeah, it must be. Because it's the edge of the map. No, that says a kid. From here on, we'll be going through some narrow passages. If you take it slow, maybe you can sneak up on some enemies. Use Z-targeting to always look in the proper direction. Set your view so you can see down the next corridor before you turn a corner. Once your view is set, hold down blah 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 to sidestep around the corner. That way you won't be surprised by an enemy waiting in ambush. Oh shit, what?
I love those guys.
They're so hard. I hate this area.
I love this area.
It's so hard though.
I knew
What the
you-
hell?
Dude, just like this.
Look at it. Their neck isn't even connected.
I know. I wish they were in the overworld, honestly. That made the game a lot more fun.
No, wouldn't I hate this area?
No, don't do that. Hookshot him, dude. Or but Hookshot's
That was an accident. So what is it? Z to
yeah.
C?
But I think we did.
Nothing there.
I could've got it.
Okay. Zelda's got all stealth on you. God, you. When I was young, I didn't understand how to do this, so I had so much trouble in this area. Crap, I didn't. Unintentionally, but it still worked, I guess.
Yeah, whatever.
I didn't mean to.
I used to just go with Hookshot.
I tried. The control on this is weird since it's on a stick and not a. That was too close, I guess.
Yeah, Hookshot's that.
That kills him instantly, really? Wow. Oh, a heart, yay.
You also get some berries too.
Yeah, I remember that area. I already had some berries, so I can at least pick one up now. Then I go this way, I think. Then I go all stealth. Come on!
I would say
Oh, you can't hit him in the back? Hey! Hey, guy! Hey! Hey! I hit him and you hit him in the butthole over and over. What time is it? I'm just gonna finish this area off, and sorry about the Lost Woods fail. That was my fault. I can't hear the music very well. How do you get this guy again?
What I usually do is just follow him
Shit! Oh my god!
Yeah, that's fun.
Does that hit him?
Yeah, that should.
No.
Well, I
Good. Did I kill him?
No.
God, I'm so bad at this game. Hit him in the butthole.
I really wish there were an overworld.
Yeah, that would be cool.
I mean, almost too empty.
Yeah, it is kind of empty. Anyway, though, we're here in the next area, but there's something that happens here. No, it is not, actually. Sheik is so much cuter. Oh, look, Saria isn't there, though.
He died painfully as possible.
God, I'm sucking in both the games I'm playing today.
Hey, man.
This dungeon, I always had trouble on that area.
When do you go to bed?
One. Why?
I was thinking if you got no sleep or not.
The flow of time is always cruel. Its speed seems different for each person, but no one can change it. A thing that doesn't change with time is a memory of younger days. In order to come back here again, play the minuet in the forest. I have a harp. And notice, look how similar that harp is to the one in...
And then I'll start.
Yeah, it is. It's the same exact one.
Cool.
A up left, right left, right. Okay, up, left. Right, left, right. Oh. So what do you want to do, like... He did the whole wah face, like where you put your arms out. And anyway, we learned the menu at a forest. Yosh, I'll see you again. What? I'm Ninja! I'm Ninja! Meet the Ninja! I'm Mr. Ninja! Look at Dekunut! Oh yeah! I like how they put that into her Smash Bros. Or Up B.
Really?
Yeah, Vanish. You know her Up B? In Smash Bros, that's what it is.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the... Ah, crap.
You have to save your game.
No! Look at Link's face, he's all smiling. Hey, look at he's like, oh, now he's not smiling, but now he's like, oh yeah. Anyway, so save my germ on both ways. And I'd say that's the end of Zelda Ocarina of Time for now.
Sayonara.
Sayonara. I am Meta Knight. Anyway, see you next time.
Bye-bye.